Hey everyone, I'm Dada. I'm an IT professional who journals about my travels, daily life, and my chaotic thoughts. Join me as I turn life's craziness into stories worth sharing. I hope. Welcome to my channel. Our topic for today's video is about why I started journaling and tips for beginners while I show you my Japan stationery haul from my latest trip to Tokyo last July 2024. I was able to get some stationery including memo pads, stamps, rubber stamps, sticker sheets. I also got sticker flakes in here and a new Delphonics pouch. Going back to the topic, why I started journaling was story time. As kids, we like anything cute and nice. So during my elementary days, I was kind of hooked to this popular erasers that actually smells. So let's say it's a fruit eraser, it's gonna smell that specific fruit. Apple, strawberry. I love the strawberry one. And I don't know how else to explain it, describe it, but if you're a 90s baby, I know you get what I mean. So in order to convince my sister or my tita or my tito to buy me one, I will show them that I'm actually writing and I need an eraser to pair it with. Well, it worked because I have like a collection of that on my pencil case. Eventually, I have outgrown that phase when I moved to high school, but it has been changed to gel pens. Why? Because we have one teacher wherein we were asked to decorate, design our notebooks, and then it will be graded at the end of the quarter. Yes, it's part of our grade. But since I'm not talented when it comes to doodles, drawings, or whatnot, I decided to just use colored pens. If you're familiar with my gel, that's what I use. It's kind of expensive, but I think I only have like 3 to 5 colors, and it's fine. And I only use it for the topics or the headlines. So I focus more on the writing, how to organize my notes and to write neatly. College game, no more note taking, or well, less note taking. So no need for decorations or designs, but it's more on planning my class schedule, my org schedule, to weekend schedule. We have like weekend classes as well. So from school to real life, I started working. So from planning, now it's budgeting. So yeah, that includes the needs versus wants, bills versus things that I deserve for myself. Then 2-3 years ago, COVID happened. We're not allowed to go outside, and that gives me more time to journal, write about not just budgeting or planning, but also writing like my personal thoughts, as in a personal diary. So, how journaling has helped me all throughout these years. Well, when I was younger, it helped me improve my handwriting. As for the planning and budgeting part, it helps improve my organizational skills. Same with productivity, because when you're organized, you know what to do at what specific time, you get things done, and you'll have more time to be creative. And of course, your mental health. Surprisingly, my love for journaling and anything stationery related pushed me to open or create a public Instagram account at first, and this YouTube channel. Well, that's another topic for next time. So, if you're new to journaling and you're thinking about starting, start now. Start small and make use of what you have. No need to worry about perfection. You can explore different journaling styles like bullet journaling, gratitude journaling. You can even start daily planning or just writing your thoughts, brain dumping style. And certainly, last but not the least, be consistent. Yeah, I read somewhere that you can start a habit by doing it daily for 21 days. But of course, at the end of the day, you do you. You find what's best for you and do not compare your journey to others, which is common, especially that we're all in social media, you know? I think I can keep going for beginner tips on how to start journaling, but it's gonna be a longer topic, longer video as well. If you reached this part of the video, thank you so much. I want to know if you have any questions or comments. You can also share your journaling journey, journaling stories, how it helped you on the comment section. Please do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you enjoyed this content. And if you have Facebook, Instagram, please do follow me at dada_explorer. Thank you so much.